Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we make complicated tech stuff super simple. Today, we're tackling a common question: how to add family members to YouTube TV. This feature is perfect for sharing your subscription with household members, so everyone can enjoy their favorite shows without extra costs. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have a YouTube TV subscription and are logged into your account. Open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, phone, or visit the website on your computer. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner. Tap or click on it to access your account settings. Next, scroll down to the Membership or Settings section. Here, you'll find an option for Family Sharing or Manage Household. Select that to proceed. Now, click on Manage Members or Add a Family Member. You'll need to enter the Google email address of the person you want to add. Make sure they have a Google account linked, as YouTube TV relies on it. After entering the email, hit Send Invitation. They'll receive an email with a link to accept your invite. Once they click and confirm, they'll be added to your plan. Remember, YouTube TV supports up to 6 accounts per household, so keep that in mind for your family setup. One quick tip: if you're running into issues, double-check that the email is correct and that the person is in your household location, as per YouTube's guidelines. That's all there is to it. Now you can share the streaming love with your family. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.